Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get this face tracking on Roblox. Uh, guys, before starting, if you're new on channel, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and let's start the video. So first of all, to get the face tracking on Roblox, you have to go to browser or in your app. So I'll go into Roblox. Once you're here, guys, you have to go to in settings. In settings, once you're here, in setting, once you're here, guys, now you need to verify your age. If you verify your age, since you can see that my age is verified, so once your age is verified, now and if you don't know how to verify your age, you can watch my previous video on that, and link is given in the description. So where you need to upload your front and back side of your ID, and this process can be done only on mobile, so make sure you are using your mobile, and where you need to upload your, or where you need to take a snap of your front of your ID, photo ID, and back of the photo ID, and you need to upload, and then it will ask you to upload the selfie. Once you upload these things, your ages will be verified. Once your age is verified, now you need to go to privacy. In privacy, these two options will be updated after verify your age. Once you verify your age, these two options will be uh, available or will be appear in the privacy. Now you just need to enable these two options. One is for the microphone to chat with your voice, and the second one is to use camera to animate your avatar with your movement. So these two options enables you to face tracking. Enable you to face tracking. The most important feature is this camera. So basically, what does camera do? Once you enable this camera, it will track your movement. It will track your face movement, and then it will try to sync with the avatar. So let me show you how it works. So now you need once you enter in a game that supports camera and microphone as communications, you just need to go to Roblox and just enable the microphone and camera. Now you can see it start face tracking once you enable these two options. So yeah, that's how you can do it. Hope you understood. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. They just trying to interrupt me if, since I'm making a video. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys, and if you're new on channel, please subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye. कहाँ तक जाएगा चला